is how to post, publish, and share the link. The first thing you need to do in order to publish posts on WordPress is confirm your email address. You should have an email from WordPress.com that looks like this, and all you have to do is simply click confirm. This will take you to a dashboard for WordPress.com in which you can manage your different sites. So we'll click on our site, Helpful Video Tutorials. This is the My Sites tab of our WordPress account. The Reader tab is where you can read articles published by different blogs that you follow, and the My Sites tab is where you can monitor your own blog. As you can see, there are a lot of different things that we can customize and information we can look at about our website. For our purposes now, we're going to go to Blog Posts under Publish, and we're going to click Add to create a new post. Here is the empty text template from WordPress for us to create our new post on. Here we have a title column, and we'll just make this a simple post about how to get started, and we'll embed a YouTube video tutorial on how to get started with WordPress. And here we'll just include a simple text. And now we want to embed a video in our post, so for that we will click Add Media. And we will go to Insert from URL, and we will simply paste the YouTube web address of the video that we want to insert, and WordPress will load that video, and this is correct. We want the WordPress How to Get Started video tutorial. So we will click the bottom right hand button, Insert into Post, and here you see it doesn't insert the actual video but rather an embed code. That's okay. If we want to see how this post is looking, we click the preview button in the bottom left, and it will open up a new tab to preview the post. And here we have it. We can see that the video is loading, and that has worked, and this looks good. So we will exit out of there. There are a few options we have about our post. First of all, you can manage and customize your text just like in Microsoft Word by using this toolbar here. Center, bold, different font styles, etc. We can either save our post as a draft if we want to keep working on it, or we can publish it immediately under the Change Status tab. If we want to publish this post, say in the future, like on Friday at 3 p.m., we can actually schedule WordPress to automatically publish our post at that time using this scheduled publishing function here. For our purposes, we'll just publish it immediately now. There are different tags and categories you can use to help yourself organize your posts, as well as to help your audience find posts that are linked to something that they might be searching for. So for this, we'll say WordPress. To create your tag, all you have to do is add a comma in between different words, and we'll say beginner, comma, tutorial, video, media, CMC. And then categories would be particularly useful if you're running maybe a music blog, for example, where you might categorize your posts based on the type of music they feature, like hip-hop or indie rock. For this, we will make a category of video tutorial and click enter. Alright. Featured image is if you're using a lot of images. You might want to have a cover photo like in a Facebook album. Sharing, here you can actually connect different social media accounts such as your Facebook or Twitter account to also publish this post. You can include your location from where you're posting. You can include a small excerpt, which is kind of like a tagline or a summary of your content. And there are some advanced settings that you can either enable or disable a Facebook like button, allow commenting. You can change the name of the author, and if you want to maybe include not your username but your real name. So these are all settings you can play with. When you're ready to post, we've previewed our post. We like the way it looks good, it's what we want. So we will click here, Publish to Helpful Video Tutorials, which is the name of our website. And there we have it. We get this little notification, we just published a post. And we will click here, View Post. It looks good, this is what we want. To go back to the home page of our blog, we can simply click here on the title. And as you can see, we are at collabmediacenter.wordpress.com. Here's our blog. And if we want to go to the specific post, you just click on the title of the post, and here's the web address. You can just copy this address up here and freely paste it in email, Facebook, Twitter, etc., and share it with everyone.